Pinterest and Internet Business Marketing. There are several aspects that make Pinterest relevant to your internet marketing endeavors. When you are marketing your business, you want to be known under a certain type of brand. With Pinterest, you can create your very own branding and secure a reputation in your social profile based on the type of content that you choose to pin in your board. Your business will gain faster recognition if they can associate you with images that reflect your business and your brand. Another aspect that makes Pinterest a good business marketing tool would be its link building features. When you pin and repin an image or a video, it creates a link which will direct your visitors to the original source. You can use this feature by pinning images from your own business site. This way, every interested user will be directed to your website once they click on your pin board. At the same time, when a person repins your images, it can be considered as a form of social referral. In today's society where social media dictates a person's decision to purchase a product or avail of a service, being socially endorsed by your contacts increases your chances of gaining new potential clients. All of these actions can create a cycle which in turn can help increase your website's traffic. This can potentially increase your Google search rankings as well. Just think of how all of these procedures can improve the visibility of your company.